Alright, we've got a lot more video coming real soon, but I kind of want to just go in and do this instant gratification stuff. I'm Ryan from Engadget, by the way. So here we go. Let's take a real quick look at the iPhone and some of the stuff we've got. Now bear in mind this is on my local network, so things are going to move pretty quickly, whereas over Edge they might be a little bit slower. I know the thing I'm most personally curious about is how the keyboard works. So let's maybe go in and type out a mail real fast here. Got some mail accounts. Let's create a new one here. New to capitalize the P on there. Thanks for knowing how to spell your own device. Now you don't have to use the loop in order to get the text positioning like this. You can actually just tap it right in there, apparently. So that's nice. One thing I've noticed though is there's no way of knowing besides this up arrow whether or not you're in caps lock or in lowercase, unfortunately. That is kind of irritating because it looks like basically you're in caps lock all the time. Auto-corrected with the apostrophe there. And we have the simple keyboard in here. And when I mistyped, it actually knew to pick this one as well. But interestingly enough, when I hit that word, it looks like it took it and saved it. So yen is now apparently a word in my dictionary. Alright. One thing I noticed playing with this thing a little bit earlier is if I'm in Safari and see if I can get this thing in landscape mode. The landscape keyboard is far larger keys and it's much more comfortable to type on. But apparently the autocorrection or the correction helper does not really work in web fields, unlike in email and text messaging. Very interesting stuff. Probably putting everybody to sleep, so let's look at some YouTube. Why not? I haven't seen any of these videos. Okay, I've had about enough of that one. So hit done. Evolution of Dance, obviously everybody's favorite YouTube video. Got some photos in here. Everything for the most part works pretty much as advertised. No real surprises. Don't get changes in orientation on the home screen. Scrolls like butter. as they say. So that's just a real brief introduction to some of the stuff we're going to see in more iPhone videos, and of course we're going to have our review up of the device real soon. So keep checking back, and we're going to have pretty much wall-to-wall coverage of this thing all weekend long.